guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal and today's video is going to be a January favorites video. I've been looking forward to be doing this video this entire month because I have so many things I want to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and just get right into it. So I literally have so many things, I don't even know where I'm going to start, but let's just hope I can get through it all. So first favorite of the month. I can't believe I haven't even spoken about this yet. I've been using this product for about a year now. 2 years probably. But oh my god, I'm so in love with this product. I can't believe I haven't spoken about it yet. But it is a contour kit. It is by JLB Highlight Contour Kit. And it just looks like this. Well, obviously it does not look like this when you buy it. But obviously, since I've been using it so much, it just comes with all the colors you need. Comes with blush. It came with a highlight, but I used it all. So yeah, I actually got this from Ross, and it's actually really, really good. I'm gonna cry the day I run out, so sad times. So the next two products that I'm going to be showing are eyeshadow palettes, and I actually got these for Christmas or for my birthday. They were both gifts, so very grateful for these. So the first one I have is the Profusion Mixed Metals, and it's so pretty. I've been so in love with it. Oh crap. So I'm going to show it to you guys. I'm going to cover the mirror because I don't want it to like shine in your face. But it looks like that. You guys, it's so pretty. I literally use this all the time. The eyeshadows blend really well. You can do a really good smoky eye with this palette. Next I have is by, I think I've already spoken about this. I don't even know. But I can't even pronounce the name. I'm sure that I spoke about this already. If I did, I'm sorry. I'm just going to repeat it. That's just how much I like it. But I can't really pronounce the name. I'm just going to show you guys the packaging because I don't really know what the name is. It says Freematic Eyeshadow Pro Palette, and it looks like this. So I really like the highlight. Alright, so the next products I have are two makeup brushes that I wanted to talk about because I have been literally loving these. So the first one I have came with the Profusion eyeshadow palette, and I just really liked it. It's just a nice blending brush. I really, really like this with those specific eyeshadows. I think they're really nice. And then this one is the Modern Minerals You Are Gorgeous makeup brush, and I really like this because I really like to smoke out some eyeshadow underneath my waterline, and I just think it looks really, really nice with this brush because it is like a little pencil brush, and it does really well with blending everything out. It's not just a sharp line underneath your eye. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to be talking about, I have been using a lot for this month. It's the Sorbet Treatment Cosmetics Smear Proof Lip Liner in the color Natural Nude, and it is so pretty. I'm wearing it on my lips right now. For my food favorite, I actually have something that is understandably good, not just like freaking oatmeal. So I got these. They're Di Bella Ricci I don't even know. They're just double chocolate biscottis. I actually was really hungry when I went to Ross with my friend, and I picked them up, and they're super good. I literally ate the whole pack today. Product that I have that I'm going to be talking about is the Nupore Hydrating Makeup Remover Mask, but with coconut essence, and they're really good to remove makeup. I literally have them. I have one pack in my room, one pack in the bathroom, literally just laying around so that whenever I feel like removing my makeup, I can. And these are really, really good. I don't even have to like struggle. I could just literally wipe it off, and I'm so impressed with them. I don't know where my sister got them from. I think you can get them at Ross. I don't know. But I'll link them down below just in case you guys are interested to get them. So the next product that I have here, I've literally loved this thing since back in November. I took it with me on my trip to Kansas because I heard that when you travel on a plane, your skin can get really dry, and I was like, oh hell no, I already have really dry skin, so I'm not even gonna risk it. But I used this. I used the Birch Juice Hydro Sleeping Pack. I would put this on the plane, and then I'd just wash it the next morning, And I did that on my way there, and then I did that on my way back. It just made me feel a little bit better. And I really like it. I put this on every night. Not every night. No, not every night. Every other night, whenever I feel like my skin just needs to be hydrated again, I just put it on. I don't put it on every night. Don't put it on every night. But I will be linking up all the stuff that I'm talking about down below for you guys, just in case you guys are interested. I don't even know if you guys are. But this is what it looks like. It's really moisturizing. My skin feels so soft the next morning. The only thing that I do have to say is do not forget to wash it off because you will break out. So it's just white. It's just like a white cream. It's just plain old little thing, but this thing is very powerful and it does moisturize your skin. Right here is my first pair of sweats that I bought. I never owned a pair of sweats and I thought it was time to get them. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I literally love Ross so much because everything I'm mentioning you can probably get at Ross. But it's these sweats. They're just jogger sweats. They're gray. And they have little pockets. And again, they're joggers. And I really, really love them so much. They're so soft. They are so comfortable. You can literally wear anything with them and you look cute. I wore them all the time. I love them a lot. I have is this beautiful jean jacket. It's not beautiful. It's not special at all, guys. But I just have been wearing it so much. I was like, I'm just going to need to mention it because it's just cute. And I wear it a lot. It's a denim jacket. It's from Aeropostale, yeah. Aeropostale. And it's kind of oversized. And I really like it because I can wear like hoodies underneath. I can wear long sleeves underneath. And it's just really cute, and it has like little distressed holes everywhere. It's just, it's really nice and warm, surprisingly. Last two products that I have kind of go hand in hand, but I'm a super weenie when it comes to the cold. I'm a weenie when it comes to anything in life, but I'm just extra weenie when I'm cold. So I have been loving these slippers. They're just these mint colored slippers. They're dirty now. I'm sorry. Yeah, these mint colored slippers. I don't know where they're from, but I've been wearing them a lot and they're super warm and I love them. The next thing that I have here is a bathrobe, and you guys, this thing literally saves me from crying at night because I'm cold and I'm grumpy and I just want to go to sleep and the cold won't let me. I got this for Christmas and it's just this pink blush pink bathrobe. It's so soft and I love the little pink fur, and I've been wearing it so much. I wear it to sleep, I wear it to just lounge around with my freaking sweats and slippers, and I'm a happy camper. So, well, two more things that are my favorite, which is one, my favorite song. It's Go Flex by Post Malone. I put it in two of my videos. I don't know if you guys can tell that I actually really, really liked the song. It's so good. If you guys haven't heard it, I'm sure you guys have. And for my TV show favorite, that it's kind of funny that I'm even back into this show. But I'm into Jersey Shore. I originally started watching this when I was in middle school, and then I kind of eventually just grew out of it. But I kind of wanted to rewatch the whole thing and just kind of see if my opinion changed on the whole show. I'm still hooked, and I literally finished the whole show in like a month. My boyfriend and I both have just been loving that show. That's literally all we watch when we're together. So that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!